Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to import products from DHgate to Shopify. Without further ado, let's get started. If you prefer a manual approach, you can upload products from DHgate to Shopify yourself. Step 1. Copy product details from DHgate. Go to dhgate.com and find the product you want to sell. Copy the title, description, and images of the product. Save images to your computer. Step 2. Add the product in Shopify. In your Shopify admin panel, go to Products, Add Product. Paste the product title and description from DHgate. Upload the saved product images. Set a price, inventory, and shipping details. Step 3. Add a supplier link. Since DHgate doesn't sync automatically, add a supplier link in the product description or internal notes. This helps your order from DHgate when customers buy from your store. Step 4. Publish the product. Click Save and then Active to publish it on your Shopify store. Final tips. Use a dropshipping app for automated inventory updates. Set a profitable pricing strategy to cover costs and make a profit. Test shipping times from DHgate to ensure good delivery service. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.